YouTubes. The Grateful Dead is on the radio. I can't believe it. She's on the road again. How's that? Getting the old Grateful Dead on the radio. Only in Santa Cruz, baby. That was pretty good. I actually like that song. Got a display case. Customer called. It's Sunday morning. He's like, yeah, I found the time clock in defrost. I advanced it. It's starting to cool, but could you come take a look at it? So I figured, what the heck? Let's go take a look at this thing. I know tomorrow I already got a call lined up for after work. It's supposed to be an evaporator fan motor on a walk-in box. I'll have to see if I have that motor. And that'll be tomorrow's. That's one I got for tomorrow for sure. But let's get out here and see what we get into. Oh yeah, let's grab the tip over. Look, tip over is tipped over. Breaker 19, breaker. Tip over is tipped over. Check. Let's grab that, dude. We'll grab a couple of these. Get the old knee pros going. Oh, what's that? I'm in shorts today. Yeah, it's pretty nice out. Look at that. Pretty nice. Let's get these geared up. It's okay, though. It's okay. We got high taxes here. I might be in shorts in January, but we got high taxes. Yeah. All right, let's get in there. Clock's in the front. Okay, we're at set point. Terrible. 84500. All right, that one there is cooling fine. I put my red paint on the time clock. It's not advancing. You can hear the gears in there sound terrible. So I'll get a defrost timer for that tomorrow. I don't have one on the truck for 115 volts. And I'm not into that universal thing either. I like the Paragon style mechanical time clocks. And we'll get one for there, and that's where we're at on this one. We'll get that in there tomorrow. All right, so on those, I either get my Sharpie or like my paint pen and mark the time clock, and then see if it advances. And it's not advancing. So that time clock went around, got into defrost, and stuck there. So it's Sunday. I can get a time clock for it tomorrow locally. So I'll get a time clock for it tomorrow and we'll get it changed out. All right, I got the new time clock for the display case. Let's get up here, take the old one out, and get the freshie in. Get it all set up for the defrosts per day and the event. Hey, what's up, Sideshow Plumber? And we'll get this thing changed out. Oh, let's see, what do we got here? 2, 6, and 10 for 50 minutes. 50 minutes of defrost. The gears on this thing are so stuck. Oh, mama.